Morning students. So in this video I'm going to solve another one problem on a unit vector normal surface. In the previous video I solved one problem on a unit vector normal surface. Here second problem what we have here, z square is equals to 4 into x square plus y square at 1 0 2. We have to find unit vector normal to this surface at this point. So what they given here, surface equation z square is equals to 4 into x square plus y square. So here compare this equation with this one. There is no c term here, means there is no constant. First we have to bring that one, means first we have to bring this whole surface equation in terms of a phi of x y z is equals to c, means here z square is equals to 4 into x square can be 4x square, 4 into y square, 4y square. Then transpose these two terms on a LHS, then it becomes z square minus 4x square minus 4y square is equals to 0. Compare this equation with the general form, phi of x y z is equals to c. C is a constant, C's value of c is a 0. No need to take that c, only we need here phi of x y z term. Therefore phi is equal to z square minus 4x square minus 4y square. So what is our aim here? We have to find unit vector normal n cap along a del phi. Okay, so here what is the formula? N cap is equals to del phi divided by magnitude of a del phi. Consider this one as a equation 1. Then for finding the unit vector normal we need here del phi value, but we have only phi value. Then we have to find here del phi. Del phi means that is gradient of a phi. Formula for that one, dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. So del phi, keep it as it is. Dou by dou x of a phi is there. Phi means that is given z square minus 4x square minus 4y square into I plus dou by dou y of a phi is there. Substitute that value, z square minus 4x square minus 4y square into j cap plus dou by dou z of z square minus 4x square minus 4y square into k cap. So differentiation of this whole term with respect to x, then we have to consider other variable as a constant. So other variable are here z and y, because we are going to apply differentiation, partial differentiation with respect to x. Then we have to consider z and y as a constant. Here z square constant, 4y square is constant. Differentiation of these two terms 0. Minus 4x square with respect to x becomes minus 8x. Okay, similarly into I plus differentiation of this whole term, partial differentiation of this whole term with respect to y, then we have to consider x and z as a constant. So here z square constant, next 4x square is a constant, 0, here also 0, minus 4y square differentiation with respect to y becomes minus 8y into j cap plus differentiation of this whole term with respect to z is there. This is the z here. Differentiation of this whole term with respect to z, then z square with respect to z means 2z. 4x square is constant, 4y square is a constant. Obviously differentiation of these two terms 0 into k cap. Then write down the same term here, minus 8x into I plus into minus 8yj plus 2zk. So we have to find del phi at the given point. What they given here? 1 0 2. What the given point is here? 1 0 2. Here only find the del phi at a 1 0 2. So wherever is x y z in this term, substitute a x y z as a 1 0 2 respectively. So minus 8 x means 1 into I minus 8 into y means 0 into j cap plus z means 2 into 2, okay, into k cap minus 8i. This term become totally 0, 2 2s are 4k. Then here only find magnitude of a del phi. Why here magnitude of del phi? We need in the formula n cap is equals to del phi divided by magnitude of a del phi. So here only find here del phi, magnitude of a del phi under the root of coefficient of I square minus 8 square. There is no j term, leave that one. Coefficient of a kth square here, what we have 4, then 4 square. So solve this one, you will get 4 root 5. Then what we have here, equation 1, substitute a del phi and magnitude of a del phi in equation 1. Then it becomes n cap is equals to minus 8i plus 4k divided by magnitude of a del phi value 4 root 5. Substitute here. Then what is the common term in a numerator? 4, take it outside. Then it becomes minus 2i plus vector k divided by 4 root 5. 4 get cancels. So therefore unit vector normal to the given surface n cap is given as minus 2i plus k cap divided by root 5. This is our required final answer. See third problem on a unit vector normal surface concept. So here what they given here, statement of the problem, x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 4 at the point 2, 0, 0. So this is already in a phi of x y z term, so means that in that form. So x square plus y square plus z square is equals to 4. So phi implies here x square plus y square plus z square. So what we have a formula, n cap is equals to del phi divided by magnitude of a del phi. This is our aim here. We in this problem we have to find here n cap. N cap, that is nothing but unit vector normal n cap along the del phi is given by n cap is equals to del phi divided by magnitude of a del phi. In this formula we need a del phi, but we have here only phi value, then we have to find del phi here. Del phi means gradient of a phi. What is the formula for gradient of a phi? Dou phi by dou x into I plus dou phi by dou y into j plus dou phi by dou z into k. So del phi is equals to, substitute phi value what they given here, x square plus y square plus z square into I plus dou by dou y of x square plus y square plus z square into j plus dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square into k cap. Then dou by dou x means differentiation of this whole term with respect to x, x square with respect to x, 2x. So we are going to apply here partial differentiation of this term with respect to x. Then we have to consider y and z as a constant. So differentiation of a y square is 0, differentiation of z square is also 0. Then it becomes only 2x into I. Similarly here also dou by dou y of this whole term, so y square becomes 2y, x square z square 0 into j cap plus dou by dou z of this whole term, z square with respect to z 2z. So x and y are a constant, therefore here also 0, here also 0, no need to write down here, 2z into k cap. Then we have to find del phi value at the given point 2, 0, 0. Substitute wherever is x, y, z in this function, substitute as a 2, 0, 0 respectively. 2 into I plus 2 into 0 plus 2 into 0. These two terms become totally 0, 0. Then 2 2s are I, 2 2s are 4, 4 into I, 4i. Then equation 1 implies here n cap is equals to 4i. Why here 4i? Because we have a del phi. Del phi means 4i divided by magnitude of a del phi. This is del phi. Magnitude of a del phi means square root of ith coefficient 4 square. There is no j term, there is no k term, obviously 0, 0. No need to write down here. Only write down the coefficient of ith square, that is 4 square. Then it becomes 4i divided by 4, 4 get cancelled, I. So unit vector normal to the given surface is here, n cap is equals to vector I only. This is our required final answer.